Welcome to Simple and Happy Living. Got yard work? I am here with Steve and we are checking out the new chainsaw that he got from Aldi. This chainsaw comes in a box and you can purchase it for under $30. It also comes with an instruction manual, which comes in very handy because you'll have to put the chainsaw together. After putting it together, just simply plug it into an extension cord and you'll be ready. To be extra cautious, we recommend that you wear safety goggles. Now let's see how this chainsaw works. Wow, I'm impressed. This is amazing. What brand is that again? Ferrex. Oh wow, we have to consider that. Man. Oh, hooey kapooey. Well, it did good for a while. So Steve, do you recommend the chainsaw?
Well, for the price I do, but I don't understand why the chain came off.
Yeah. I don't know.
I got it in a bind.
We came to the conclusion that the chainsaw was held at a very strange angle, which caused the chain to fall off. So we simply just put it back together and started again. Just look, even the tree limb is smiling. So for basic tree trimming, you might want to give this product a try. There you have it, another way to keep your life simple and happy.